Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or remove optional features on Windows 11. So let's start by I'll click on setting first. You can click settings and try to find the culprit here. You can try to click system, scroll down and try to find optional features extra functionally for your device. Here we go. There are so many optional feature here. In order to add, you can click on few features at the top of your screen here where you can add optional feature. For example, you can add Arabic script supplemental fonts, so you can sort it by name or download size here. So you can download remote access management tools, failover clustering tools, and so on. And in order to remove it, it's very easy. You can click such as face recognition. You can click it and remove from here. Just one click, your facial recognition will remove from your PC. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.